Generally, when you press this side button on your Samsung phone, then you will either see the option of voice control, or you will see the option to either power down or restart your Samsung phone. But if nothing happens like this one, then let us see how to fix it. Now this happens if you are using Registar application that comes with Goodlock application. So what I will do is I will open Goodlock app, and inside this Goodlock app you will see Registar. This is the one. Open it. Here there is an option side key press and hold action. Right now if you see, none is selected and it is enabled. What you need to do is you need to disable this option. Once you do it, let us see what happens. Now I'm pressing this side button. I'm getting the option to either power off or restart my phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.